So in Akron, we've been trying for several years to encourage members of the community, all different organizations, to think about ways that they can create in their environments interactive opportunities for children to reinforce the skills that we know that they need to have in order to be successful in kindergarten.
Too many of our kiddos come to school unprepared for kindergarten, and what happens before they walk through those kindergarten doors is really what makes a difference. We're so excited to see what's going on here. Folks are just creating all sorts of projects that are just in everyday spaces for young kids ages 3 to 6.
My project was this musical wall, which is made out of pallets and just various kitchenware. I just thought it was cool to kind of combine those things and use these kitchen utensils and maybe start a conversation about food or about music while you're just banging on some things and having a good time.
It's just a wooden frame with slices of plexiglass inside, and so as it turns and it's in the sun will shine through, the plexiglass panels, and the light will be colored on the other side. So basically, we wanted to have two wheels where they would be intersecting, and so the light would go through and they would combine into different colors, like purple or like orange, like a lighter green or something like that, so the kids would be able to see that happening in real time. Some fun stuff.
One of the many projects going on in FirstServe today is the ABC sidewalk game. The ABC spray painted on the ground in different shapes, 5 different shapes: circle, square, triangle, hexagon, and a pentagon, just all laid out in different colors. And within those, you have obviously your uppercase and lowercase letters, but then also an image or an object that goes along with it. And it's just a fun and easy way to keep learning happening outside of the classroom.
We are doing the Animal Tracks project, so we are making stepping stones with different animal prints in them. Each stepping stone is a different shape, and each shape has a specific animal to it. So there's 4 animals, and the kids have to follow each animal track throughout the path until they get to the big cutout. So we cut out of wood all the different animal shapes, so they're planted in the park, and then we mix cement and pour them into different pans, and then stamp them with different animal track stamps.
And learning happens every day in the smallest of ways. It's so important to build learning moments, and so easy to build early learning moments into everyday life. That's what this project is about. It's taking the community and everyday spaces where we find children and their families, and just building playful, fun ways to incorporate early learning into everyday moments.
What we're really concerned about is that all the children in Summit County start kindergarten with the skills they need to be successful. And we know from all the research that we've done that certain children don't start kindergarten ready. They carry the burden of poverty and all the conditions of poverty. One of the consequences of that is that they just don't happen to have the same experiences that build all those necessary skills to start kindergarten ready to succeed. And so our goal with this project, along with lots of other things that we're doing at SEI, is to help the community and the families better understand the things we could be doing to be supporting these children, especially children who come from poverty circumstances.